Hey, all, for your midweek check-in this week, I want to run down the paper directions and rubric just to make sure that there's no confusion on what's expected of you, right? So as normal, we're doing a research-based essay. So you have this up here at the top, which we talked about over and over again throughout the term. So directions. The first thing I want you to do is think. Choose one of the texts from Unit 3. So you can do Letter to My Son by Ta-Nehisi Coates. You can do How to Write the Great American Novel by Sherman Alexie, The Uses of Anger by Audre Lorde, Como Tu, Like You, Like Me by Richard Blanco, Letter from a Birmingham Jail by Martin Luther King Jr., or Do the Right Thing by Spike Lee. So choose one, just one of the texts. Now, after exploring all the assigned resources about your final essay, compose a thesis statement that examines the argument concerning race in your chosen text and make an argument for why people should care about this issue and how the text contributes to your understanding of the issue. Okay? So, should people care about race in America? That's the first thing you have to answer. Then, you have to answer how the text, whichever one you've chosen, helps contribute to your understanding of race in America. Okay? Does that make sense? Why should people care? How does the text help you? That's it. That's what you're writing your essay over. So your essay is going to be between 1,500 to 2,000 words. That does not include your works cited page that you must have. Okay? It's got to answer these two things. It's got to answer that. Why should people care about the issue, race in America? And how does the text contribute to your understanding of the issue? Answer those two things. You must use at least 3 quotes from your chosen text up above, up here. 3 quotes from one of those. You must use quotes from at least 3 outside sources to support your argument that you have gathered from TCC's database. I don't know why this is here. This is a typo. So it has to be from TCC's database. Yes, I've given you videos on how to access those things. There's also information on the online learning resources on Blackboard. If you're still having issues about how to use the database, I will post a link in this email. And just look over all the resources I've given you, or ask me for help. Okay? So you have to have 3 outside sources. You have to. You just have to. That's how it works. Some kid in my neighborhood is out yelling. Okay? You must put your paper in MLA format with correct text citations and a proper works cited page. Okay? And for those of you that are struggling, like, watch this. I'm going to go to File, New from Template. And so many people will often just hit blank, but instead something that you can do is you can browse the templates. So here we've got MLA style paper, and this works on Google Documents as well as Pages. So if you click MLA style paper, you're going to see this. Then essentially all you have to do is plug in the correct things for these different labels. This is my daughter. Now, obviously, you're going to copy and paste your essay into these words right here. You'll delete the tables, images, things like that. And then for your works cited page, you need to make sure that your works cited page is formatted just like this. This is called hanging indent, to where it's going to start on the left side of the paper, and then every subsequent line for that particular citation will be indented by a tab. Okay? But see how easy that is? It's super, super, super easy. All right, so that's everything that's happening with your essay. Please contact me if you need any assistance. Check out this email for help for database things, and you should be peachy keen.